this is just a plain mechanical keyboard. Nothing branded, nothing packaged, nothing that would make anyone stop scrolling. I gave Lovart a single brief. Take this keyboard and turn it into a brand that looks ready to launch on Amazon today. And this is what came back. A complete identity, packaging that looks shelf-ready, product photography that looks studio shot, and a store page that could easily pass for a brand already doing real numbers. Now let's rewind and go through exactly how each piece came together. Everything started with just the keyboard and one name in mind, Voltage Core. The first move inside Lovart was building a brand kit, uploading a rough logo concept, choosing a color direction, and letting the system lock in a consistent typography and visual style around it. What normally takes a designer days to align, logo, fonts, palette, tone, came together here in a single connected step. Right after the brand kit was set, I opened the infinite canvas and let it start building out in real time. Every new asset landed directly on this canvas. Logo variations sitting next to color swatches, early packaging concepts stacking up beside them, everything staying in one workspace instead of scattered across 10 different files and folders like a normal workflow would look. From there, I moved to the product photo maker, and this is where the plain keyboard photo actually started to feel like a product worth buying. Clean studio-style lighting, sharp controlled shadows, a background pulled straight from the brand's dark aesthetic. No lighting kit, no studio rental, no reshoot, just one flat photo transformed into something that belongs on a premium listing page. Next, I wanted buyers to see this keyboard from every angle without physically reshooting it, so I used multi-angle. One image went in, and clean, consistent angles came out on the other side, front, side, close-up detail shots, the exact kind of visual proof buyers look for before they trust a product enough to add it to cart. With the core visuals ready, I moved into Amazon listing images, and this is usually where most sellers struggle the most, because listing images have to look professional while still doing the actual job of selling. Lovart generated a full set, lifestyle shots showing the keyboard in use, feature callouts highlighting the switches and build quality, and comparison-style visuals, all still locked to the same Voltage Core identity from the brand kit, so nothing looked disconnected from anything else. The canvas kept expanding through all of this. Every packaging mock-up, every listing visual, every new banner stayed tied to the same brand system, same colors, same type, same tone, so scrolling through it felt like looking at one cohesive brand, instead of a pile of random AI outputs. We also have a text edit option, which lets me edit any text directly from the generated video. I'll simply select Text Edit, make a few changes to the text here, and click Generate. After a few moments, applies those changes while keeping the rest of it consistent. And this is the result. You can see the updated text directly in the video without having to rebuild the entire project. Finally, I built out the Store Hero section and collection banners, the kind of visuals that live on a real storefront homepage. Bold typography, a tight, consistent color language, and a layout that reads like an established brand rather than a first product drop. Then I zoomed all the way out on the infinite canvas, and this is the moment that really shows the scale of what happened. One plain keyboard photo and a single brief turned into a logo, a full packaging system, product photography, a complete listing image set, and store banners, all sitting on one connected canvas. One thing I want to show you here is Lovart's skill feature. Instead of rebuilding the same creative workflow every time, I can ask the agent to turn the work I've already completed in this project into a reusable skill. So I'm asking Lovart to analyze the brand identity, visual style, assets, layouts, and prompts we've already used, and package that workflow into a skill I can reuse later. This is useful because once the skill is created, I don't have to manually explain the same creative direction and requirements every time. Now that the skill is ready, I can use it on a new task and let Lovart apply the same workflow and visual direction to generate new branded content. If you're building a product and don't have a design team behind you, this is the exact kind of workflow that saves weeks of back and forth. Try Lovart using the link in the description and see what your own product could actually look like.